All right, next up we have an ice robot that could self-assemble on other planets. This comes via Mashable. And I mean, this was kind of cool and cute to me. However, it left me unconvinced. What you have here is a tiny little rolling robot that's made out of ice. And the idea being, or mostly ice, the idea being, at least what they say in the video clip, is that ice is readily available on other planets. It's like a thing that you can have access to. So IceBot could one day serve as a planetary exploration robot.
Oh. Well, that thing's really heavy though. Ice, right? They would probably need some powerful motors.
But also, doesn't it seem risky? I don't like
Sure.
these missions to get the I don't know. The whole thing was a bit, I'm skeptical.
It's a concept.
I'm skeptical. Let's put it that way. I like the idea of using unusual materials for something like this. Like, that's cool, but I'm just not sure how practical it would be. But it's definitely cute, the IceBot.
Yeah.
But could you imagine, look, he's melting right there. It's already melting on the floor over there.
Well, they were hoping that the atmosphere would, be cold enough to maintain.
This feels like a Disney movie or something. Yeah,
sure.
Melting. I'm gonna melt. The IceBot's gonna melt.
Yeah, it's very sad.
Yeah.
Sad music.
Yeah, I don't know. Anyway,
Save the ice.
I don't know. It looks kind of cool.